So there's this viral TikTok going around claiming there's a 10,000-year-old playground sitting underwater with complete swings, slides, and even monkey bars. Sounds insane, right? But before we start imagining ancient civilizations with jungle gyms, let's break down whether this is real or just another viral hoax. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. The video comes from Real Scary Talk on TikTok, and it's honestly pretty convincing at first glance. It shows eerie underwater structures that look like a playground, rusty swing sets, what looks like a slide, and captions hyping it up as an ancient discovery. But here's the thing. That's literally the only place it exists. No news coverage, no science articles, no archaeologist blog or archaeology blogs, and no official records. Just that one TikTok. That alone is a red flag. Now, when you really look at the footage, it starts to resemble underwater sculptures, like the ones you'd find in art installations or underwater museums. Artists like Jason DeCairs Taylor have created full underwater exhibits with human figures, furnitures, even bikes. People often mistake those for ancient ruins when in reality, they're modern day art pieces meant to support coral growth and create visual interest for divers. So what you're seeing probably isn't a sunken playground. It's just creative editing, clever camera work, and maybe a sculpture site being taken out of context. So it's cut. So is there really a 10,000-year-old playground sitting under the ocean? Nah, it's fake. Cool to look at, but there's no solid evidence backing it up. It's either art or just completely made up content for clicks. Did it fool you for a second? Same here. But it was a good one. Let me know what you thought in the comments and hit follow for more no BS breakdowns of viral stories and online claims.